Hi, I'm Katie Nankerville and welcome to Home Chats. Today I've got Managing Director of Long Island Homes, Craig Delaney, with us to talk to us about interest rates. So Craig, what's happening with interest rates at the moment?
Well, we're certainly seeing a drop in interest rates, and quite frankly, it's overdue. I think where interest rates are heading at the moment, we really are at the bottom of the cycle, and that's good news for home buyers. Not only first home buyers, but also people looking to want to upgrade their home as well. They've had it just as tough as everybody else, and I think now with interest rates where they are, and all the experts, much more learned people than I am in the marketplace, telling people that rates are at the bottom of the cycle, I think that those building blocks are starting to fall into place.
Now Craig, a big question we always get asked is banks or brokers? What are your thoughts on this?
Brokers are certainly there to sift through many different loans in the marketplace, and some people have very specific relationships with banks where they've banked with a particular organisation all their life. They've had a relationship with particular bankers within the bank, but these days bankers tend to change a lot, and the relationships, the old-fashioned business relationships, really don't exist anymore. It's very much an auditing process when someone looks at a loan. Brokers tend to break through those corporate barriers in dealing with banks. They know where the special rates are. They know at that particular point in time who's being more approachable with respect to getting a loan approved, and generally speaking, they have their thumb on the pulse of what's happening.
Can you explain for us what a construction loan is?
A build and construct loan is in two parts. Typically the clients will settle the land first into their name and then only pay, and this is the important part, Katie, only pay stamp duty and charges on the land at that time. The house is off plan, so there is no stamp duties applicable to it, and interest is only charged by the bank as each stage of construction is completed. So it really does minimise the amount of stamp duty, it minimises the amount of interest that someone would pay through construction. And build and construct loans are certainly my preferred option for recommending a financial way for someone to build a house.
So how does Long Island Home make that easier for clients?
No, we've looked at how the process needs to be broken down, how it needs to be chunked, so that people can handle it. We like to see that our clients, particularly first-time buyers, get an opportunity to sit with a broker, understand in confidence and in comfort, have a nice long conversation, see what they can actually afford to borrow, and then with that comfort factor, sit with us so that we can then look at a house and land that works together for them, that they're not overspending, that they're actually getting value for their money, and then manage the process to keep the paperwork to a minimum, to make sure that all the specifications and everything are done up front. That allows the broker then to easily put the loan together for our clients, and it just de-stresses the whole situation because it's such a learning curve for young professionals or young couples. It's such a learning curve going through this whole process for the first time.
Thanks for your time today, Craig. We really appreciate you coming in. And that's all for us on Home Chats today. We'll see you next time.